Why do we sneeze? Sneezing is one of our body's first line of defense against germs and our foreign particles. Sneezing is a fast, involuntary, and mostly uncontrollable reaction of our body to blast out the particles from our nose. One sneeze lasts for 2 to 3 seconds. Our chest, stomach, throat, and face muscles work together to produce one sneeze. As sneezing forces out water, mucus, and air from nose and mouth. It might carry germs and spread in air and affect others too. So whenever we sneeze, we need to follow the sneezing etiquette, which is number 1. Close your nose and mouth while sneezing. Number 2. Proper disposal of the used tissues or cloth. Number 3. Wash your hands thoroughly with antibacterial soap. Take care, friends. See you with another topic. Till then, it's bye from Gavesh.